Hey guys, it's CJ Works again on Works 86 channel, doing another part 2 DIY to the Honda 1.5 liter turbo car I have. Wanted to show you how to reset the maintenance light on the dash. Can you see it? I bet you can. It says oil life is at 15%. I just did the oil change already. It's an A1 maintenance check. You hit the home button down here on the steering wheel, right? You see how it pops up to maintenance. You can scroll up and down with this little tab here, and you can go to audio and all the other stuff on the car. Go down to maintenance, click on the center tab again. It's gonna come back up. Actually, I gotta go back home. I'm sorry about that. You gotta go into it again, which should be this one. You're gonna click on hold reset. Just click on it actually. Then it's gonna actually item 7, item 4, all that nonsense. Just one item A only. Click that, and then it's gonna reset. Oil life is now at 100. So the next oil life change, the next maintenance cycle will be usually about 5,000 miles on this car for the next one. Okay, so we're good to go, and everything's all right. And that's all I got on the channel, guys. You guys have a good night. Sorry for the last minute, by the way, but I wanted to make sure you guys knew how to do this. That way you wouldn't freak out if the car still had that maintenance check light on there. It's not an engine check light. It's a maintenance check light. It's something that you can control and reset. Okay, you guys have a good night.